Once upon a time, in a cozy little classroom filled with colorful drawings and the sweet smell of chalk dust, lived a little girl named Lily. Lily was a quiet girl with bright, curious eyes and a smile that could warm even the coldest day. One afternoon, during snack time, a hush fell over the classroom. Everyone was munching on their treats, except for a new boy named Sam. He sat alone at his desk, his head down, with nothing to eat. His tummy rumbled so loudly, it sounded like a little bear growling. Lily looked down at her own snack. It was her absolute favorite, a big, round chocolate chip cookie that her grandma had baked just for her. It was her only one. She had been looking forward to it all day. She took a tiny bite, and the chocolate melted in her mouth. It was delicious. But then, she looked over at Sam again. He looked so sad and so hungry. Her heart felt a little pinch. She thought about how she would feel if she had forgotten her snack. Walking over to Sam's desk, her heart beat a little faster. She held out her cookie. "Do you want some?" she whispered. Sam looked up, his eyes wide with surprise. He hadn't spoken to anyone all day. He slowly shook his head. "But it's your last one." Lily smiled her warm, sunny smile. "That's okay," she said. "We can share." She carefully broke the cookie right in half, making sure both pieces were exactly the same size. She gave the bigger half to Sam. A small smile appeared on Sam's face as he took the cookie. "Thank you," he mumbled. They sat together, quietly eating their halves of the cookie. It tasted even better than when Lily had eaten it alone. The next day, something amazing happened. During art class, a girl named Mia was running out of blue paint for her ocean painting. Before she could even ask, Sam, who was sitting next to her, pushed his own blue paint pot towards her. "Here," he said, remembering Lily's kindness. "You can have some of mine." Mia's eyes lit up. She finished her beautiful ocean, full of swirling blue waves. A little while later, she saw the class hamster, Squeaky, had kicked all his bedding out of his cage. Without being asked, Mia carefully gathered the soft bedding and tucked it back into Squeaky's house, making him a cozy little nest. The chain of kindness didn't stop there. When the teacher, Mrs. Davis, dropped a whole box of paper clips, they scattered all over the floor like shiny insects. Instantly, nearly the whole class, inspired by Mia, Sam, and Lily, rushed to help her pick them up. The classroom, which was sometimes noisy and messy, felt different. It felt warmer. It was filled with smiles, helping hands, and quiet acts of generosity. All of this from one single shared cookie. Lily looked around at her classmates, all working together and being kind to one another. Her heart didn't feel a pinch anymore. Instead, it felt full, like it was about to burst with happiness. She learned a very important lesson that day. Kindness is like a magic seed. When you share it, even just a little piece of it, it doesn't disappear. It grows and grows, spreading from one person to another, until the whole world feels a little brighter. And it all started with one girl who shared her last cookie. We hope this story warmed your heart. Kindness is a superpower we all have inside us. For more stories that inspire and teach, be sure to check out our playlist right here. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to spread a little kindness today.